Hi guys, welcome to today's episode of Maths Olympiad problem. If today is your first time, please do well to subscribe so that you get notified anytime I drop a new content. Our today's goal is to solve for the value of x in 4 power x minus 2 is equals to 40. We are trying to find the exact value of this x that can make the left and the right hand side to be the same. So first thing we check is that this is base 4 and the power x minus 2, and this is 40, which is just like a base. Can we actually make the left and the right hand side to be in the same base? No. So what do we do? So first thing we have to recall is one of the rules of exponents. The rule of exponent which says that whenever you have a to the power of m minus n, that's whenever you have subtraction in powers, that it is the same thing as a power m divided by a power n. If you agree with me on this, we are going to apply it in the first term. So if you apply it, what do we have? We have 4 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of 2. And this is exactly equals to 40. Okay? What is 4 squared? 4 squared means 4 times 4. And 4 times 4 is actually 16. Meaning 4 power x divided by 16 is equals to what? 40. The next thing we do is that you understand one thing, this is over 1, so we can cross and multiply. If you cross and multiply, you notice we are getting 4 power x is equal to 40 times 16. Understand one thing, we cannot actually make the left and the right hand side to be the same. Okay, so at this point, we have to use logarithm. Okay, so when we take logarithm of both sides, we are having log 4 power x is equal to, we are having log 40 times 16. Okay, so at this point, what do we do? You recall the rule of logarithm which says that whenever you have log of, let's say a raised to power m, okay, that is the same thing as m multiplying the log of a. Okay, if you understand this rule in logarithm, we apply it here so that we multiply this power x to the logarithm. Okay, so if you do that, you are having it to be x log 4. Please do well to like the video, comment your thought on the method, and also share the video. So this is now equal to log 40 times 16. So at this stage now, okay. So at this stage now, what do? We have to divide through by log 4 and divide through by log 4. If you actually divide through by log 4, you see one thing, that x is equals to, this will be out. It's equals to log 40 times 16 all divided by log 4. You recall another law of logarithm, which says that whenever you are multiplying in logarithm, like log mn, that we accept it to be the logarithm of m plus the logarithm of n. Okay? If you understand this rule now, we are going to apply it here just to simplify the terms. So you see that x will be equal to log 40 because they are multiplying just like this. Then plus log 16 divided by log 4. Are you getting it now? So at this stage, you know in your basic classes about fractions that when you have a plus b divided by c, you can actually take it to be a over c plus b over c. If you understand this like this, apply it in the numerator to split the fraction. So if you apply it, what do you get? You have it as log 40 over log 4, then plus log 16 over log 4. Good. So if you get this now, what do? 40 can be seen as what? What do we see 40 as? We can take 40 to be something like 4 times, we can take 40 to be 8 times 5, right? So we can write this to be log 8 times 5 divided by log 4 plus 16 can be seen as 4 squared. We know that already. We have it as log 4 squared over log 4. Apply the same rule here. The same rule we used here. So we have it as log 8 plus log 5 divided by what? Log 4. Then these two will multiply this plus 2 log 4 divided by log 4. Good. So if you have this, you have it that log 8 over, applying this rule, over log 4, then plus log 5 over log 4. Okay? Then if you apply this, what do you see? Log 4 will cancel out log 4. You are left with what? 2. Okay? So if you are left with 2, look at 8. 8 can be expressed in terms of 2. Log 2 to the power of 3 divided by log 4 is log 2 squared. Okay? Then plus log of 5 divided by log of 4. Okay? Then we have it as plus 2. That's what we got. So this power can be multiplied to the log as we did initially here. So we have it as 3 log 2 divided by 2 log 2, then plus log 5 over log 4 plus 2. Okay? So if you have this, we can cancel out log 2 because they are common both in the numerator and denominator. What are we having left? 3. Oh, Jesus Christ. We are having it to be 3 over 2 plus, we are going to use change of base. In change of base, when you have log m divided by log n, if you apply change of base, it will be log of base n of m. So let's apply it here. So what are we getting? We're having it 3 over 2 plus 2, then plus, I'm adding this 2, you have it log of base 5 of, log of base 5 of, log of base 4 of 5. Okay? So, and this is actually the value for x. We can actually still add. At a common denominator, this is over 1. So common denominator, what are we choosing? 2 over 2. Then 2 divided is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Plus 1 divided is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Then plus log of 5 of base 4. Okay? And this will give us 7 over 2. So we have it to be 7 over 2 log of base 4 of 5. And this is actually the correct plus of correct answer. To check our answers, let's plug it in the already given question. We got that x is equals to 7 over 2 plus log of base 4 of 5. Okay? So if you plug it, what are we getting? We have it as 4 to the power of, we have it to be 7 over 2 plus log of base 4 of 5, then minus 2. Okay? So is it actually 40? So what are we getting? We now do it to be 7 over 2 minus 2 plus log 4 of 5. Okay? So here, 2 minus 7 over 2 will give you 4 to the power of 7 minus 2 will give you a common denominator of 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. So this will give you 3 over 2. Okay, then plus log 4 of 5. Okay, so here from this particular rule, that whenever you are multiplying in the same base, a to the power of this times a to the power of n, it is actually the same thing as a to the power of m plus n. In that case, let's use it to expand this. What are we getting? You have it as 4 to the power of 3 over 2, then plus, times 4 to the power of log 4 of 5. Okay, so if you have it, you can now see that we have 4 can be seen as 2 squared because we need to clear this fractional power. So we have it as 2 squared, already existing power 3 over 2, then times, if you know this law of logarithm, it says that whenever you have a to the power of log am, that the answer is m. Okay, so in that case, we are going to apply the rule. So instead of having this 4 to the power of log 4 of 5 is the same thing as 5, then times 5. Good. So these two will now cancel out this. You are having it to be 2 to the power of 3 times 5. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. You're having 8 times 5, and 8 times 5 is 40. So our answer is right. Please like and share for more exciting math tips like this. See you next time.